Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. This is Zach over at NV Woodworks. So today we're turning up a resin and honeycomb platter. So let's get started. So a couple weeks ago, Carl Jacobson came down and we did a collaboration project together making a platter blank, very similar to this one. And this isn't a copy necessarily. This was actually a test run. I wanted to make a blank before they got down here, just to make sure everything was gonna go smoothly in the way that I had planned in my head. And so, you know, they left and I got to see Carl's video turning that platter, and I had this blank sitting in my shop and I'm like, man, I was dying to turn it. So I got on it. There's no casting in this video because I didn't video it. I was just kind of doing a little bit of a test. So if you want to see how to cast this blank or how they are cast, I did it exactly the same way. This one's a little bit different with the colors, but everything else was exactly the same way. So I'll have a link to that video of us doing the casting part and Carl's video as well on the screen here and down in the show notes. But like I said, if you get a chance, try making one of these blanks. It's really fun. You don't necessarily have to make it, 9 inches. You could, if you got a smaller pressure pot, just get a blank that'll fit in that pot and try this out. It's a really fun project. So let's get to the turning. So, pretty awesome project. I hope you guys give this a shot. You don't necessarily need to make it 9 inches. I'm lucky I have a 5-gallon pressure pot. The 2.5-gallon pots are a little bit smaller diameter. Even at a smaller diameter, really fun project to make. I hope you guys give it a shot. Everything went really smooth on the turning. Those negative rate carbide cutters are just a dream to use on a project like this. They just eliminate the catches and they add confidence to your turning. You're not holding it kind of worried about a catch. You can kind of focus on the turning. So I really love those cutters. If you haven't tried them out, give them a shot. Really great for these kind of bigger resin projects especially. So one little note about this project specifically, the larger diameter projects like this, you got to really watch your speeds when you're sanding. You want to make sure that you're not overheating it or loading up the paper, the sandpaper, because what I actually got was a few scratches that I just really couldn't get out of this thing. And I think what it was I was going a little too fast and got some burnishing. If you overheat the resin, you can kind of burnish scratches in, and then you just really can't get them out unless you sand way down. So that's what I would have to do to fix this. It's not bad or anything like that, but it's not perfect, let's say. So make sure that you slow down that lathe speed when you're sanding. Add water, that'll help a lot, and just kind of keep that all in check, and you should get pretty good results. So again, I hope you guys give this a shot and have some fun with it. It was a really fun project to turn, to cast, and all that kind of stuff. So if you're new to the channel, we do all kinds of resin casting projects, tips and tricks, and experiments around here. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you get notified when new videos get posted. Also, if you're thinking about getting into resin casting, want to try making some projects like this, but you're not really sure where to begin, check out my new ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Resin Casting. It answers all those beginners' questions like, what do I need to get started? How does it all work? What kind of resin should I use? It'll help you kind of overcome that initial learning curve so you can get to casting quicker. So until next time, guys, hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.